Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy A25 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on it and tap on the contacts. Now we have to find the contact we would like to edit and tap on it, so let me pick maybe this one and tap on this info icon. Right now let's tap on edit. And let me quickly remove the photo so you will be able to see how it looks like when you're opening the contact without any kind of photo. You will have this area which you can fill with those kind of profile pictures. You can choose AR emoji, the gallery, of course your own photos, or the camera, and thanks to this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. And if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, so then choose the camera. To be honest, right now the best option for me is the gallery, so let me choose the gallery. Let's tap on it. Let's choose the photo, and right now in this step you can change the position of this highlighted circle. You can zoom it, you can change the size of it also, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to and then tap on done. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear in this section, so if you're happy with the results, just tap on save. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.